So we have given here S5 plus S7 equals to 167. As we know that Sn is given as n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now if we put what n equals to 5, then S5 comes out to be 5 by 2 2a plus 4d, and S7 comes out to be 7 by 2 2a plus 6d. And putting these in this first equation, we will get what? 5 by 2 2a plus 4d plus 7 by 2 2a plus 6d, which is equals to 167. This is our second equation. Now if we solve this, we will get what? 24a plus 62d is equals to 334. And if we solve it further, this will become 12a. Take out 2 as a common, plus 31d is equals to 167. This is our third equation. Now it is also given that S10 equals to 235. This is what? 10 by 2, which is what? 2a plus 90 is equals to 235. So 2a plus 90 equals to 235. This is our fourth equation. Now is solving third and fourth will give us a equals to 1 and d equals to 5. So AP will be 1, then 6, then 11, then 16, so on. This is our required AP.